The Malayan tiger, scientifically known as Panthera Tigris Jacksoni, is a subspecies of tiger that is native to the Malay Peninsula in Southeast Asia. Malayan tigers are critically endangered, with a rapidly declining population. The primary threats to their survival include habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment, poaching for their body parts and the illegal wildlife trade, and human-wildlife conflicts. To protect and conserve the Malayan tiger, various efforts have been made, including the establishment of protected areas and wildlife reserves, the enforcement of anti-poaching laws, and initiatives to reduce human-tiger conflicts. Conservation organizations and governments are working together to ensure the survival of this subspecies. The national survey shows less than 150 wild tigers are in Malaysia's forests. These are divided into a large number of small, isolated subpopulations. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, it is estimated that there are between 80 and 120 breeding adults left. The Malayan tiger has a distinctive orange coat with dark, vertical stripes. The orange fur serves as camouflage in its natural habitat, the rainforests and dense vegetation of the Malay Peninsula. These dark stripes help break up the tiger's outline in the dappled sunlight and shadows of the forest, making it less visible to prey and potential threats. The pattern and arrangement of the dark stripes on a Malayan tiger's coat can vary between individuals, and this unique striping pattern is often used by researchers and conservationists to identify and track individual tigers in the wild. The combination of their orange fur and dark stripes is a key characteristic that distinguishes them from other tiger subspecies. Adult Malayan tigers typically measure around 1.8 to 2.7 meters in length from the tip of their nose to the end of their tail. The tail itself can be around 0.6 to 0.9 meters long. The weight of Malayan tigers can vary between males and females. Adult males usually weigh between 100 to 150 kilograms, with some exceptionally large individuals reaching up to 181 kilograms. Adult females are smaller, typically weighing between 75 to 109 kilograms. Malayan tigers have strong, well-developed muscles, particularly in their limbs and shoulders. These muscles provide them with the strength and power needed to bring down prey, which can be as large as wild boar or deer. Malayan tigers have strong, well-developed muscles, particularly in their limbs and shoulders. These muscles provide them with the strength and power needed to bring down prey, which can be as large as wild boar or deer. Malayan tigers are one of the smaller tiger subspecies, with a more compact body size. This smaller build helps them move through the dense underbrush and vegetation of their rainforest environment. They have a large, round head with powerful jaws and sharp teeth designed for capturing and consuming their prey. The paws of Malayan tigers are equipped with retractable claws, which they use for climbing and for capturing and holding onto prey. Their paw pads provide traction, allowing them to move stealthily and quietly through the forest. The paws of Malayan tigers are equipped with retractable claws, which they use for climbing and for capturing and holding onto prey. Their paw pads provide traction, allowing them to move stealthily and quietly through the forest. Malayan tigers can be found in lowland forests, which are often located at lower elevations. These areas are typically dense with vegetation, and the tigers hunt for prey such as deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals in these regions. Some Malayan tigers also inhabit upland and highland forests at higher elevations. These areas may have cooler temperatures and different plant species but still provide suitable habitat for these tigers. Riparian habitats, including riverine and swamp forests, can also serve as important corridors for Malayan tigers. These areas offer a source of water and often support a variety of wildlife. Malayan tigers have been known to adapt to forest edges and areas that are modified by human activity, such as agricultural land or plantations. However, such areas are generally less favorable for their survival due to increased human-wildlife conflicts and habitat fragmentation. Tigers, including Malayan tigers, are solitary animals. They typically prefer to live and hunt alone, and adult tigers are territorial. Each individual establishes and defends a territory that can range in size from about 10 to 150 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and other factors. Tigers, including Malayan tigers, are solitary animals. They typically prefer to live and hunt alone, and adult tigers are territorial. Each individual establishes and defends a territory that can range in size from about 10 to 150 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and other factors. Tigers, including Malayan tigers, are solitary animals. They typically prefer to live and hunt alone, and adult tigers are territorial. Each individual establishes and defends a territory that can range in size from about 10 to 150 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and other factors. Malayan tigers are known for their ability to swim, and they are often observed in the water. They use rivers and bodies of water as natural barriers to mark the boundaries of their territories and as a means to cool off in the hot and humid climate of their habitat. Tigers are not highly vocal, but they do produce a range of vocalizations. These include roars, growls, and chuffing sounds, which they use for communication with other tigers. Roaring is often associated with territorial displays and mating calls. Malayan tigers often prey on various species of deer, such as somber deer, barking deer, and hog deer. Deer are a substantial part of their diet due to their abundance in the rainforest habitat. Wild boars are another common prey item for Malayan tigers. They are opportunistic hunters and will target these relatively large and readily available animals. Malayan tigers are known to hunt Malayan tapirs, which are large, herbivorous mammals. Tapirs provide a significant source of protein when tigers are successful in capturing them. In addition to larger prey, Malayan tigers may also consume smaller mammals like porcupines, monkeys, and various rodent species when the opportunity arises. Malayan tigers are known to hunt Malayan tapirs, which are large, herbivorous mammals. Tapirs provide a significant source of protein when tigers are successful in capturing them. In addition to larger prey, Malayan tigers may also consume smaller mammals like porcupines, monkeys, and various rodent species when the opportunity arises. Tigers are opportunistic hunters, and their diet can vary based on the season and the specific prey available in their territory. They are solitary stalk and ambush predators, relying on their keen senses and stealth to get close to their prey before launching a surprise attack. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth allow them to deliver a lethal bite to their prey, often targeting the throat or neck to quickly incapacitate the animal. Malayan tigers do not have a strict mating season, as their reproduction can occur throughout the year. However, there may be slight seasonal variations in their breeding activity. When a female Malayan tiger is in estrus, she emits specific scent signals to attract potential mates. Males may respond by tracking the female's scent markings and vocalizing to communicate their presence. Once a male and female encounter each other and engage in courtship behavior, they may mate. Mating is usually brief but may occur multiple times over several days. After successful mating, the female enters a gestation period, which typically lasts for about 3.5 months. Female Malayan tigers give birth to a litter of cubs, which can range from 1 to 6 cubs, although 2 to 3 cubs are more common. The cubs are born blind and helpless and are dependent on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother provides extensive care for her cubs, nursing them, keeping them warm, and protecting them from potential threats. She may move her cubs to different den sites to reduce the risk of detection by predators or humans. As the cubs grow, the mother gradually introduces them to solid food and teaches them essential hunting skills. This period of maternal care and cub development can last for several months, during which time the cubs become more self-sufficient. Malayan tiger cubs become more independent as they reach the age of 18 to 24 months. At this point, they leave their mother to establish their own territories and seek out their own prey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.